I will quickly cut all the grass, and then I will rest.
Elder brother, where is your slipper? What will you do if something gets stuck to your feet? You are mad.
Elder brother, I will do something.
Okay, brother.
Friends, I will make a wooden slipper for my brother. I am a furniture master. First, I will make the design of the slipper. Friend, my brother is a little mental and he keeps doing useless things all the time, and my youngest brother keeps scolding him, but I love my brother. When Mummy was not there, my brother took care of me. I will make the best slippers for my brother. My brother will look very happy.
Hey brother, have you gone mad and are making slippers and stopped making videos on YouTube? No one is going to support you.
Friends, am I saying the right thing? But friends, I work very hard, so please like and subscribe and write "love you brother" in the comment. Friend, look, the slippers are ready. Brother, here are the slippers for you.
Thanks, younger brother.